We're out here today to do an assembly demonstration video for your boat, get you guys out on the water. You can see we've got the board set up here with the straps underneath. The hook ends go on the outside, flat ends go on the inside. We're going to start with the front beam for the frame. So we're just going to assemble the front beam here. Just goes together with a simple push button. Push that guy through, locks in. For orientation, both of these ratchets should be on the inside, and the hook's pointing to the outside here. Go ahead and set this down at the front. Just lay it down like that. From here, we'll go with the rear beam. The major difference here is the rear beam goes together with a little coupler. Again, just with the push buttons. So this one will slide in until it locks in there. And the other half of your rear beam goes together same way on the other side. This block right here is what will eventually become your motor mount. You've got both the ratchets on the inside. We'll just set this beam here. Center console supports towards the inside, wrist supports towards the back, and then we're ready for our center console. And it's easiest with the front beam loose. Slide it into the back. All right, so from here we're ready to strap the boards to the frame. We go ahead and start on the outside. These loop ends of the strap. Just hook right onto these guys. Then on the inside here, with the free end, goes up through the ratchet. Just like that, you're attached. We'll go ahead and do the other three right now. All right, so we're going to start with the roof support here. So we're going to start with the left side. These roof supports are connected with a bungee cable on the inside, so you can't mix up which side they go on. Again, they just go together with simple push buttons. Go down inside your rear beam until it locks in. From here, we put the cross support on. This one's also together with a bungee cable. Again, just a push button. Then this will insert into the left side. This is kind of an important step. I always put the left side in first and then assemble the right side. Again, just a push button. And then here's the important part. We put the cross beam into the right side support first and then insert it down into the beam. From here, we're ready for our chairs. Rear of the chair just drops right into those little brackets. New for these boards is a 3-piece center handle, which allows you to capture the front of the chair. And once that's fastened, it'll keep you from tipping backwards. We'll go ahead and put on the second chair on the other side. All right, now that we have both of our chairs in, we're ready to put on our roof support here. This guy's connected with bungee straps at all 3 joints. So again, just push button connections on all 3. And then from here, all we have left is our fabric and the lid for our center console. All right, so super simple here. We just have these 1/2-inch eyelets. They just go right onto the rivets on the roof frame. The first time you put it on, it will be kind of tight. After that, it will stretch to a nice, perfect fit. With the roof fabric on, the last thing we have to do is just throw your center console lid on. That just goes right here. We usually put the 12-volt battery inside here. If you ordered a motor, it mounts on the transom mount on the back. All right, everyone, with that lid installed, your boat's fully assembled, you're ready to hit the water. And again, we thank you for supporting Supmaran.